Now, from the top secret car barns of the Lionel Corporation comes the most advanced military train ever developed. It's the new Lionel Minuteman car. It looks like an ordinary freight train, but don't let it fool you. At this very moment, the exact position of an enemy ammunition train is being radioed in to the engineers of the Minuteman car. It moves into position. Suddenly, the innocent-looking freight car roof slides open automatically, and the Minuteman fires. Enemy target destroyed. Mission accomplished. For surefire action, ask Dad for the remarkable new Lionel Minuteman car with the long-range missile you control. Remember, boy, you're the boss on land, sea, and in the air when you own Lionel Trains. It's high noon on the town clock. A gold shipment has just been transferred from the Fort Knox depot to the new Lionel Gold Bullion car. Security guards are posted to protect the gold shipment. And there she goes, carrying her valuable cargo. But wait, what's this? Outlaws trying to take over the train. Not a chance. Every one of those outlaws is covered by a gun-toting sheriff in Lionel's new action-packed sheriff and outlaw car. One thing's sure, that gold shipment will arrive on time, and you control the action. Ask Dad for the newest action car of all, the Lionel Sheriff and Outlaw car. Remember, boy, you're the boss when you own Lionel Trains. The night is clear, with a sky full of stars. Suddenly, you see it. It's a satellite in orbit. Yes, sir, boy. Watching a satellite is fun, but launching your own satellite, that's the most fun of all. And here she is, the wonderful new Lionel satellite car you can own, with a real-as-life satellite you control.
Lionel Satellite 3519, ready for launching. Launch satellite.
Off she goes into the sky. When her orbit's completed, mount her back on her special flat car launching base, ready for action. Ask Dad for the new Lionel satellite car. Remember, boy, you're the boss on land, sea, and in the air when you own Lionel Trains. This is the day of the big inspection at the railroad freight depot. In preparation for the inspection, the Lionel HO track cleaning car is dispatched. With sponges rotating at full speed, it cleans and polishes the track. And just in time for the arrival of the chief inspector in his new Lionel HO executive inspection car. A fully motorized automobile with flanged wheels for riding the track. He moves in to check the new Lionel HO operating milk car as it starts unloading the milk cans automatically. Nearby, the Lionel HO dump car and the Lionel HO lumber cars are delivering their cargoes. The inspector is pleased, and so is his dad. They know that only Lionel has so many different HO operating cars. That's why there's more fun, more action when you own Lionel Trains.
Presenting the famous Inventor Series by Lionel, a startling new idea in science sets that lets you recreate replicas of 6 great inventions that really work. Build Hero's steam turbine, forerunner of jet propulsion. Build Gutenberg's printing press that prints with real type. Build Galileo's telescope. Thomas Edison's electric light bulb. The telegraph of Samuel Morse. And Alexander Graham Bell's telephone. Each set contains everything you need to recreate the famous invention, plus a bust of the inventor, a fully illustrated instruction manual tracing the invention's development and use, and an exciting biography of the inventor. See all 6 sets in the fun-packed new Famous Inventor Series by Lionel. Build it. It's authentic. It works. Report. Report from Lionel Weather Station. Lionel anemometer reading, wind speed increasing. Barometer falling. Forecast thunderstorm. This is the real thing. The brand new Lionel Weather Station with professional equipment that actually lets you forecast the weather. You get a barometer to measure atmospheric pressure, special computers to determine relative humidity and the temperature-humidity index. There's a rain gauge to measure rainfall. And you get your own completely illustrated meteorology manual containing hundreds of facts about the science of meteorology, with all the charts and maps you need to make professional forecasts. You can predict everything from a dry spell to a thunderstorm when you own one of these exciting new weather stations by Lionel. This young man is filling a mold with foaming styrene plastic. He places the precision mold in the oven. 15 minutes later, he removes it. And there she is, a beautiful power launch ready to go. It's one of dozens of wonderful things you can do with the exciting new plastics engineering sets by Lionel. You can test and identify the many different types of plastics. You can blow mold your own world globe. Even injection mold your own chessmen. Duplicate all the plastics molding techniques like slush molding and rotational casting. Your fully illustrated plastics engineering manual is packed with authoritative information, complete instructions for every experiment and process. It's easy, it's fun. See all 4 great sets in the exciting new safety-tested Lionel Plastics Engineering Series.
Quick, Mom, bring in the baby. It's starting to rain.
Why won't the baby in this carriage get wet? The answer is here. 1 drop of water on this moisture sensing device rang the warning bell. Watch now as the warmth of his breath on the heat sensing device turns on the electric fan. Watch now as the beam of a flashlight in the light sensing device turns on his TV set. These are 3 of hundreds of experiments you can perform with the new Lionel Electronics Engineering sets. 4 different sets, each complete with electronic components and sensing devices that let you put electricity to work. And a fully illustrated Lionel Electronic Sets manual with instructions for performing hundreds of fascinating experiments. A whole new world of fun and discovery is yours when you own any one of the 4 sets in the Electronics Engineering Series by Lionel.